Okay, open Oracle VirtualBox. Create a new virtual machine. The name. The machine folder. You can modify the machine folder, but I will use the default value, the type Linux, and the version 64 bits. Next. Okay, the memory size for this virtual machine, the RAM should be, I recommend 4 gigabytes. That in megabyte is 4096 megabytes. That is 4 gigabytes. Okay, next. Create a virtual hard disk now. Choose by default VDI for the hard disk file type. The storage on a physical hard disk. A dynamically allocated hard disk file will only use space on your physical hard disk as it fills up. A fixed size hard disk file may take longer to create on some systems, but is often faster to use. So I recommend fixed size. Next, you can change the name for the virtual hard disk, but the size should be, for example, 20 gigabytes or higher. You can choose a higher value according to your requirements, but 20 gigabytes for me is enough. Okay, now create. Okay, down here you can see Ubuntu Desktop 1904. Select this and go to Settings. On System, you can modify the RAM, but on processors, I recommend to use 2 processors or more. Okay, in this case, I will choose 4. On display, the video memory is 16 megabytes, but you can use 64 for example. This is very useful, and you can enable the 3D acceleration. On storage, and you can view the virtual hard disk and the location for the virtual hard disk. And the CD/DVD device is empty. Here insert the image for the operating system. Click here and choose virtual optical disk file. And select this Ubuntu 1904 desktop. Okay, ready. The image is inserted. Go to Network, and for adapter number 1, use NAT. But this will work, but I prefer the bridged adapter that will connect this virtual machine to my real network and use your interface, in my case the gigabit interface. And on advanced options, be sure the cable is connected. Go to USB and enable USB 3.0 support. Okay, and select the Ubuntu desktop virtual machine and start. Okay, select your language, your preferred language. Okay, I will use English and install Ubuntu. Select your keyboard. You can use the English or select any that you want. I prefer this and continue. Okay, updates and other software. Okay, you can choose the normal installation that I recommend and download updates while installing Ubuntu. Continue. Okay, the installation type. You can erase disk and install Ubuntu to use the entire disk, the entire virtual disk. You can encrypt the new Ubuntu installation for security, or if you want, use the logical volume management with the new Ubuntu installation. Okay, but in this case, I will choose the last option, something else. Okay, you can create and resize partition yourself. Okay, and continue. Okay, and this is your virtual hard disk. Select this device and create a new partition table. Confirm, continue. Okay, now it's ready. Select the free space and add a new partition. Click here. For example, I will choose this for swap, for the swap area, and the size will be, you can choose 4 gigabytes or a higher value, but the size for my virtual hard disk is only 20 gigabytes. So I will choose only 2048 megabytes for the swap area. Okay, this is 2 gigabytes. The type primary, location beginning. Okay. Okay, ready. The swap is ready here. Select again the free space and add a new partition again. Do not modify this because I will use all the size. all the remaining size, choose primary, mandatory, location beginning, and use ext4. In the mount point, the root, the slash. Okay, this is the configuration. Okay, okay, but partitions are ready, and install now. Confirm, continue. Click here to select your location and continue. Your full name, the computer's name, the username, the first letter of your first name and your complete last name, but you can use any username, and finally choose a password. You can select login automatically or require a password to login. Continue. Okay, installation is complete. Restart now. Okay, press enter here. Okay, enter your password. Okay, connect your online accounts. Skip. Help to improve Ubuntu. Yes or no. Any that you want. Next. The privacy. Next. Done. Okay, but if you want to, okay, software updater, remind me later. Maximize this, and Windows. The window is still a small window. Okay, and on devices, guest addition CD image. Okay, and run this. Needs a password. Okay, press return to close this window. Enter. And you need to reboot this to apply changes. Restart. Enter. passwords. Okay, maximize success or use the full screen mode. Switch success, very nice. The web browser tests the connectivity to internet, success. Thank you very much.